Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, especially to this new video. So today's video about analysis video of Bank Nifty. So analysis of our past analysis that we done yesterday. So in this video, we will see what we did yesterday and did we trade according to our analysis, and also we will see what's next. So what can be done next, we will see that also, right? So this is Bank Nifty chart. So before going into that, let me show you my trades, today's trade. So this is order book. You can see only one trade. This is a buy order and a sell order. And then if you see net position in Asta, you can see 11,060 as an MTM. Here I booked around okay, average buy price 29,600, sell price 29,825. Okay, it is approx 225 points. My target was of 300, but I booked 225 points, and my MTM is 11,060. If at all I booked 300 points, then my MTM would be 14k, and I mixed 3k. That is fine. I'll tell you why. And if you see here, this is my zeroed account, and here there is a profit running trades, profit running of 19,700. It's basically it is fluctuating. It is a positional trade, and also it is an option trade, so it is going to be very volatile and it is going to fluctuate here and there, right? So in this positional, I have Bharti Airtel and I have Titan. Okay, morning it was around 14 to 16k, and then it went up to 29,000, and then now it is trading around 20k plus minus 1,200. Now again it is 20k, right? So it is fluctuating. So I had taken this position as a hero zero, or let's say I am giving 1 as a stop loss, and I am expecting minimum 4 as my target. Here total investment is 30k, so 1:4 means I'm expecting 1.2 lakh in this. Okay, if 1.2 lakh comes, then I will book. If not, then I am going to give 30k as stop loss. Fine. And now let's come to Bank Nifty. This is daily candles of Bank Nifty. First we will see 5 minutes candle. First we will see our yesterday's analysis. So what analysis did we do yesterday? Basically it was not a live analysis, but like I shared the chart on my Telegram channel. Okay, let me just show you that. Yes, my Telegram channel. And if you see, yeah, here yesterday I posted a chart of this parallel channel with a caption: Bank Nifty breakout or breakdown, trade this tomorrow for minimum 1:2 RR. RR means risk reward ratio. If you're giving 1, you should book at least 2. So I gave this trade yesterday. So also, if you're not part of my Telegram channel, then definitely this is the link. You can just get into you can also join my channel. I will provide the link in the description. And in this group I share a lot of analysis charts, and sometimes I do provide calls also. Calls rarely I do provide, but mostly I provide charts. You can see here, right? Yeah, my last trade I gave with BTST. It was given at 180 with a stop loss of 80 points and target of 120 points. Sorry, yeah, 120 points plus target and 80 points stop loss. Okay, so it was 1:1.5. So it did hit the targets of 120 points, right? So calls I rarely give, but analysis I do share regularly. Okay, so this is my free group, and also I have my premium channel also. In premium channel I gave my trades today morning according to my analysis. First we will see our analysis, okay, and then I will share what trades did I do. So this was what a simple analysis was. This is called a parallel channel. So whenever this channel is formed, we will see a good 1:2, sorry, 1:4 risk reward. I'll tell you why, right? let's say if we are entering somewhere around here at the breakout, today it was a gap up, so that doesn't count. If we are entering at a breakout, then this is our stop loss, right? A small amount is our stop loss. Then from here we do book a good profit. Let me just show you that. Okay, now let me just, yeah. So whenever we give stop loss, we give a small stop loss, and when we book profit, we book a huge profit. So this is one of a very good pattern. Basically, this is my one of the favorite pattern. I love this pattern a lot because of the risk reward. So we can see 1:4 risk reward in this pattern. I love this pattern. So whenever I find such a very good pattern, I definitely don't leave this pattern. I do trade it properly for 1:4. Okay, if we say so, that was the analysis. Let me also show you another same thing here also. Day before yesterday, I guess. Yeah. So here also I found the same pattern. All right. Yeah. Here, if you see, now we will talk about few hacks now. Let's say here, if you see a breakdown, but there is a no follow up candle, right? Such things you should avoid. Here I won't enter because there is a no formation of the pattern. The formation is somewhere around here. If I got a breakdown somewhere, if I would have got breakdown somewhere around here, then I would have entered, or somewhere around here I would have entered. This area is the entry, not this area. This is not a complete channel, right? There should be some consolidation, only then this channel is a complete channel, right? Here we can see a good consolidation and then a breakdown, right? That are the entries. Here also you can see a fake breakout, no entry. Here also you can see a breakdown, no entry. Why? Because this is not the entry. We didn't see a huge consolidation. Parallel channel means there should be some consolidation and then a breakdown. So that is a valid channel. That is where I enter properly with some good quantity. Okay, now let me show you the premium group peoples. Today morning at 9:18, I gave them the call of buying Bank Nifty future at rate 29,600 with a stop loss of 150 points and target of 300 points. Remember, right? So my analysis was 1:2 minimum. So yesterday, which I posted there. So here I shared my position with them, and then at 9:54 we got 1:1 was done at that time. And then I posted safe players can book half, because I also mentioned the reason, because I was traveling, so I was not able to monitor my trades or monitor the charts properly because of the network issue and all. You can see my background like trees and all. So now I am at my native place, which is Tamil Nadu. Okay, so I belong to Tamil Nadu, and this whole month I'm bit busy with a lot of stuffs here, so I'm not trading much. So but meanwhile, when I get some opportunities, then I do trade on previous days analysis and all, right? Yesterday I analyzed and I got that pattern, which is my favorite pattern, so I took a trade today, or else I am not into trading much. And then you can see at 10:20, which was almost after 1 hour, within 1 hour of our trade, we got 300 points in Bank Nifty. Remember, 300 points. Okay, so that is a very huge points in Bank Nifty. So after that, from there profit booking came, and then Bank Nifty fell. It even went below day low, then it recovered, and now it is going sideways. So this is about Bank Nifty. So the analysis that I wanted to share was about the parallel channel, right? So I will definitely make a different video about this channel, with a complete information, like how to trade, how to identify all those things. I will make another video. So this was about yesterday, or let's say about today. Today's analysis, what happened, what we traded already, we are done with our trades. So now it's time to analyze what's next, right? So this is done. Most of the people cannot trade in this now. Mostly no one can trade in this because this trade is almost done. So what's next? How we can see how we can trade next, right? So for that, I wanted to share this analysis also for future. So here if you see, I see a very important level. So what is that level? This is the level, right? So whenever we saw a up move, this was the hurdle resistance, then downfall, this was the hurdle, but Bank Nifty went above that. It broke the level, but there was no closing. It closed below. Actually this was a gap up, but it fell and it closed below, and then a downfall, and then up move again the same level, and then downside again today the same level, and then downside from the same level. So from this what we can understand, we can understand that this level is a very important level. Okay, here it is a huge resistance level. Fine. So now we will try to analyze what is the resistance for coming sessions. Okay, so if you see, so according to me, this level, this is the resistance level as of now. So this closing above this level is very important. Okay, so we'll talk about that, and also this was about resistance. So what about support now? So what do I see at downside? So before that, pause this video and try to analyze what do you see now, right? Upside we see resistance, and downside do you see anything? Just try to do that and pause this video and first analyze yourself and then come back here. Okay, so if you see a simple trend line, beautiful, right? So now if you extend this level, what do you see? From this level the range is getting narrowed, right? The only range will be narrowed down, and then we will see a breakdown or we will see a breakout. So on both cases we have to take a trade, and then but upside when we will enter above 30,000. If we see a closing above 30,000, only then we are going to trade upside, or then we will trade below downside. If the trend line is been broken downside, then we are going to trade. Okay, let's say below 29,300. Okay, keep it round, below 29,300 we will short Bank Nifty, and above 29 or about 30,000 we are going to buy Bank Nifty. Just note down these points or this level. About 30,000 we are going to buy, but at above levels you have to be very cautious. You have to buy according to volume, you have to buy according to the momentum. You need to check all those, because here it is a huge resistance, so you need to be very cautious at that level. Fine. And downside below 29,300 we are going to short Bank Nifty, and targets would be, if at all Bank Nifty breaks 29,300, then this is going to be my target, which is 29,600. So this is target of around 400 plus 300, 700 points target at downside, and upside also you will see a 700 points target with the same pattern. When this breakout happens, you will see a 700 points target in Bank Nifty, and this is 15 minutes chart, and you have to draw this pattern in your chart, on your chart, and then you have to trade. Okay, so I'll remove this, and now we will talk about a bigger time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame. Another pattern that I see in 1 hour time frame, we will talk about that. Okay, if you see the same pattern that we were discussing, or the pattern that we traded yesterday. Okay, okay, so this is the same pattern, which is a parallel channel, right? If you see, okay, let me refresh. Okay, you can see support. Here it is a breakdown. This is not a channel. When market was here, it was not a parallel channel, and here it was a fake breakdown also, and then it moved upside, resistance, downside, resistance, upside, and then downside, took support at this level, and then it is consolidating, and then it support, again support, again support. Now it can high, there is a high probability of a breakdown within this inner channel, right? As we shared in a smaller time frame, there can be a breakout above 30,000, and then if 30,000 is broken, then we can see this upside level, which is 30,700 or 30,800, whatever you can see. So whatever you can say, this level are possible if there is a breakdown. Let me just show you that also, which level, above this level. Okay, so when 30,000 is broken and sustained, only then you have to take a trade, fine, upside, and then downside if below this. Okay, downside 29,350, if it is broken, then you have to take a trade. But my biasness or my analysis, according to my analysis, I would be very happy if a breakout happens and not a breakdown, because we are in a bull run in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty is continuously moving upside, or Nifty, even say Nifty also. So as per that, we need to give a breakout and not a breakdown. So but market is supreme, we can get a breakout or a breakdown, whatever we get, we will trade that pattern. Okay, so this was about Bank Nifty. I shared my analysis of 1 hour analysis, where we saw a pattern, this parallel pattern, parallel channel. If, and also another important thing, if this bigger time frame pattern gives a breakout, okay, if this bigger time frame pattern gives a breakout, this 1 hour pattern, then we will see a momentum of around minimum 2,500 to 4,000 points. Minimum 2,500 to 4,000 points momentum will be seen in no time. That means the momentum will be quick. So but that depends upon how much time it is spent in this channel. Okay, so more this time spent in this channel, the better we will get the targets. Okay, so that is about Bank Nifty. And also let's talk about Titan. Okay, let's see what is happening in Titan. So Titan, I'm sharing this because I am positionally, I'm long in Titan, right? You can see 20,500. Titan, clearly you can see I had kept these two targets, but mostly if target 1 also comes, then my trade will be like around, I bought at 10 rupees, but it will go around 70 to 80 rupees. That is according to my calculation, if it hits the upper line. Okay, but yesterday I was checking if Titan has the potential of doing that, because that is a good rally of around 200 points. So can Titan do that? Then definitely yes. If you can see, Titan has given a single rally here, of it covered the whole let's say channel in a single rally here, and then if you see here, a small halt and then upside. If you see here, a small went up, small halt of 3 days and then upside, and then if you check again here, upside, small consolidation of 5 to 6 days, 7 days maybe, and then a upside. So Titan has the potential, if at all, if move upside, it halts for 3 to 4 days also and then moves up, then it is fine. Mostly I won't be booking loss in Titan, according to me. So that was about Titan. And then my another trade was of Bharti Airtel. Okay, another positional trade is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel is now trading at around 494. So if at all, this is a different, all set of different analysis. So if at all you want me to share the analysis of Bharti Airtel also, because it will be useful to you, so you can definitely write on the comment section. If you want, then I will definitely post the analysis of Bharti Airtel also. So guys, that's it for the day. So today we saw about Titan, we saw about Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel didn't see, and Titan I had already shared the video of Titan, right? So if you are if you didn't see the video of Titan's analysis, then I will keep that link in the description so that you can watch it. And also we shared, very importantly, we talked about Bank Nifty. So what's next in Bank Nifty, we saw that, and also what can be done in Bank Nifty, what we did Bank Nifty earlier, we saw that, right? Bharti Airtel is another very important stock as of now. You can see it is 3% up today. I entered Bharti Airtel at this green candle a day before yesterday, but yesterday it made a red candle. I always say I am not a person who gets feared by red candle, and today it made green candle, and it proved that yesterday it was just a fake, and it is not interested in downside. If at all it was interested, then it would be made somewhere candle like this, right? But it is interested in upside. So let's see, whatever happens, we will trade accordingly, Bharti Airtel and Titan. So overall I have given 30,000 in these trades, in these both the trades. But I'm expecting more than 1:4 in these two trades, and I'm having almost a month now. It is 4th of December now. Last expiry is at 31st. So we will see how these trades go, and how do we trade in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is in a bull run, so we will see, so trade accordingly. So guys, that's it for the day. I hope my analysis video was very useful to you all, and if at all it was useful, then definitely hit the like button. It will serve as a motivation to me, and so that I can make some more videos. So definitely hit the like button, and also do share these videos with your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in stock market. So it will also help me to grow, and my analysis will help them to grow, right? So guys, that's it for the day. So I will meet you all with some another analysis video in coming days. So that's it for the day, and thank you for watching.